Come to sitting position. Let us do a small prayer. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Put Namaskara mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. 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 Repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim pranatosmi nityam. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Take both hands behind your back. Hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward. Pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God, and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. We will be doing 1 month of yoga classes every day, morning 6 to 7:30. I will be keeping my video on and audio on. Please keep yourself on mute. You can keep your video on, and if you have any questions, you can interrupt and ask the question, unmute and ask the question. I can clarify your question. However, we will continue doing the yoga. Please see, listen, see and follow. If you have any question, you can always ask. Please do not hesitate to ask any question you may have. Let us continue with our yoga practice. Come to sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Sitting Dandasana. Relax your feet. Feet forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Move your feet left to right, 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 left to right. Center. Rotate your both the feet in circular fashion like a fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Come to standing position. Inhale and take both the hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, straighten yourself, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Bring the hands down, exhale. Sidewise bending. Inhale, take your right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale, take your left hand up. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down. Inhale. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Bring the hands down, exhale. Throw your both the hands sideways to sideways with exhalation. You can keep your feet shoulder length apart. Throw your hands sideways upwards. Exhale. This side up. Exhale. This side up. Exhale. Bring it down and take it to the other side up. Exhale. This side up. Exhale. This side up. Exhale. Side to side. Exhale. 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 exhale, 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 exhale. Stop. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale. Bend laterally and touch left ankle with left palm. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend laterally to the right side. Touch right ankle with right palm. Inhale, center. Let us do few rounds of this. Keep your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Stop. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. Inhale. Take your both the hands above your head. Bend backwards. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Bend backwards. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Let us do fast motion. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Straighten yourself. Exhale. Bring the hands down. Relax. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meters apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. After exhaling, while exhaling, we will bend and twist and touch left feet with right palm, and inhaling, we will come back straight. Again, exhaling, bend forward, twist and touch right feet with left palm. So do it slowly in 4 steps. Inhale, exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch left feet with right palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch right feet with left palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Let us do one more round slowly. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch left feet with right palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Other side. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch right feet with left palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Now, let us do few rounds of this in a little bit faster manner. Keep your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Inhale. Stop. Bring the feet together. Relax. Now, keep your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your hands horizontal. Twist to the left side, twist to the right side. Left, right, 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 center. Bring the hands down, exhale. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Now keep your hands by the side of the body, palms facing down. Do cycling with the legs. Cycling with the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Drop it down. Do reverse cycling with the legs. Reverse cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Relax. Do cycling with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Do reverse cycling with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Do cycling with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Do reverse cycling with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Do cycling with both the legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Do reverse cycling with both the legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Relax. Slightly bend both the knees. Keep your feet on the ground. Take your hand, palms below your neck, interlock your fingers. Gently do the crunches, slowly do the crunches. Get up, slowly get up, use your stomach muscles, hold the position, breathe normally and go down. Inhale while going down, exhale while crunching. Do 5 rounds slowly. The slowly you do, the effective it will be. Go back. Please keep yourself in mute. Please keep yourself in mute. Slowly get up. Slowly go down. Slowly get up. Use your stomach muscles, not your neck muscles. Use your stomach muscles and get up and go down. Do it slowly, don't do it fast. Five rounds is enough. Stop. Keep your hands by the side of the body. Straighten your legs. I request all of you to keep yourself in mute. Take your both the hands above your head. Bring both the legs 90 degrees. Hold the position. Breathe normally. Hold the position. Breathe normally till I count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Bring the hands down. Relax. Relax. Turn onto your stomach. Onto your stomach. Turn onto your stomach. Keep your chin on the ground. Feet flat. Feet together. Feet flat. Keep your palms on the ground near your chest. Inhale and rise your upper portion half. Your elbows are bent. Bhujangasana. Use your back muscles. Use your back muscles. Exhale and drop it down. Again, inhale, rise your head and chest up. Use your back muscles. Elbows bent. Exhale and drop it down. Again, inhale and rise your upper portion up. Use your back muscles. Exhale and drop it down. Now, inhale, rise fully, upper portion up. Straighten your elbows. Back bend. Drop it down. Relax. Come to standing position. Get up. Come to standing position. Relax. Take a 1 minute break. Okay. So now we will do Dand Baitak. We will do 5 rounds. Slowly, as the days go by, we will do more rounds. But start with 5 rounds. For the first 3 days, you will have body pains, body aches, and then after 3 days, it will go away. We are doing exercise after a long time, so there will be body aches and all. Get used to that. After 3 days, body aches will go. See, keep your feet shoulder length apart. Keep your hands in front. Sit down. You can have your heels up or on the floor as per your flexibility. Get up. 1, 2, 3. Keep your back straight. 4, 5. Okay, enough. We will increase the count as the days go by. Now keep your feet. This is only one round we will do. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. One round. Keep your hands in front. Do the sit-up as slowly as possible. Very slowly. Do the sit-up very slowly. Go down very slow. Get up very slow. Relax. You can do as much slowly as possible. You can try one more round. Do it as much slowly as possible. It increases the strength in the legs. Okay? Relax. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. This also Hanuman Baitak. Sit to the side. Sit to the side. You can keep your heel in the air if you want. This toes up, the left toes up if you are sitting to the right side. You can take the hand support if you want. Get up. Sit to the left side. Get up. Sit to the right side. Get up. Sit to the left side. Get up. Sit to the right side. Get up. Sit to the left side. Get up. Straighten yourself. Now we will do sapate. It is also known as burpees in English. How to do? I'll do one round. You see and follow. Stand with your feet shoulder length apart. Take your hands above your head. Squat and keep your palms on the ground in front of you. Jump and take both the legs back. If you want, you can do a push-up. Jump and bring both the feet forward and jump up. Okay? Let us do together. Take your hands above your head. Squat. Keep the palms on the ground in front of you. Jump and take both the feet back. Do the push-up. Jump and bring both the feet forward. Jump up. Do 5 rounds of this. Or do 3 rounds of this. Start. One, two, three. Enough. We'll increase the count as the days go by. Relax. Relax. Now, let us do Surya Namaskar. Come to one side of the mat. Feet together. I will do one normal Surya Namaskar, giving instructions. Listen and follow. Follow along. Listen and follow along. Put Namaskara Mudra. Namaskara at the heart level. Ekam. Take your hands above your head. Bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Half wheel posture. Dve. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Pada Hastasana. Hand to the feet. Trini. Keep your palms on the ground besides your feet. Take your right leg back, right feet back, right heel on the ground, head up. Ashwasanchalanasana, horse riding posture. Chatwari, rise your right knee. Take your left feet back, join with your right feet, body like a straight line, Dandasana, plank position. Plank position, don't keep your body too high or too low. Keep it straight. Pancha, Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Rabbit posture. Shat. Come forward on your knees. Touch your chin and chest to the ground. Sapta. Raise your upper portion up like a hooded cobra. On your toes and palms, knees, your knees in the air. Upper portion bent upwards. Bhujangasana or Urdhvamukha Svanasana. Upward looking dog. Ashta. Raise your middle portion up. Adjust your feet. Heels on the ground. Middle portion up. Inverted V shape. Parvatasana. Mountain posture. Adhomukha Svanasana. Downward looking dog. Nava. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Rabbit posture. Dasha. Rise on your knees. Bring the right feet forward near your right hand. Left feet backward, left knee on the ground. Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg forward. Horse riding posture. Ekadasha. Bring the left feet forward. Join with your right feet. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Padahastasana. Dwadasha. Take both the hands, rise up. Take both the hands above your head. Bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Release, straighten, relax. Come to Namaskara Mudra. This 12 steps is one Surya Namaskar. Every day we will do anywhere between 8 to 12 Surya Namaskars. Today we are doing slowly so that you will learn. Second round, I will do slowly again and give the instructions so that you can see, listen and follow. Put Namaskara Mudra. Ekam. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Dve. Come down, back, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Trini. Keep your palms on the floor besides your feet. Take your right feet back as far back as possible. Keep your right knee on the ground. left knee bent and left feet near your left hand, left palm. Head up. Ashwasancharanasana, horse riding posture. Chatwari, rise your right knee, take your left feet backwards, join with your right feet, body like a straight line. Dandasana. Pancha, keep your knees on the ground, sit back. Shashankasana. Shat, rise on your knees, bend forward, touch your chin and chest on the ground. Sashtanga Pranam. Sapta, rise your upper portion up in hooded cobra on your toes and palms, knees in the air. Upper portion bent. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward looking dog. Ashta, rise your middle portion up. Make sure your heels are touching the ground. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward looking dog. Nava, keep your knees on the ground, sit back. Shashankasana, rabbit posture. Dasha, bring the right feet forward near your right palm, left leg back. Ashwasancharanasana. Ekadasha, bring the left feet forward, join with your right feet, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Dwadasha, take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Release and relax. Relax. If anybody has any question on Surya Namaskar, they can ask. I will be glad to explain. Anybody has any question, they can ask.
Sir, breathing during the asana, sir.
That I will tell later.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
should it always be the right leg first going back, or should we also interchange the legs in the after we do Padahastasana and then go back?
In this class, we will always do right leg back and then coming right, always right leg back. In some other teachers, they will teach alternate legs. It will confuse students, so I am teaching only right leg back, because while coming back, we are having right leg forward and left leg backward. So it's okay. It's a mirror image while coming back. So we are doing like that in this class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question? Okay. Take a minute break. you want to wet your throat, a little bit water you can take, one sip or 1.5 sip you can take. Okay. All right. So we will do few standing asanas today. 4 asanas we will do. If you get sweat, rub it onto the surface of your skin. Do not wipe it with a cloth. If you get sweat, rub it onto your skin. Okay. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Bend forward as much as you can. Twist and keep your right palm, twist to the left side. Keep your right palm on the left feet. Left hand up in the air. Turn your head to the left side. Look to the left hand. Hold the position. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Straighten yourself. Relax. Relax. Let us do other side. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Bend forward as much as you can. Twist to the right side. Touch right feet with left palm. Right hand above your head. Turn your head to the right side. Look at the right hand. 1. Breathe normally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Straighten yourself. Relax. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Turn your left feet towards left side. Turn your right feet 45 degrees. Bend your left knee. So that left knee is in line with left toes. Turn your body to the left side. Take your hands above your head. Put Namaskara. Hold the position. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Relax. Let us do right side. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Turn your right feet towards the right side. Left feet 45 degrees. Turn your body to the right side. Bend your right knee. Take your hands above your head. Put Namaskara. If you can, bend backwards. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Relax. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Relax. Legs apart. Heels facing each other. Hands by the side of the body. Palms facing roof. Eyes closed. Relax. Lie down, relax again. Relax, relax, relax. Shavasana, dead body position. Lie down like a corpse, like a dead body. Observe your breathing. As you breathe in, stomach rises up. As you breathe out, stomach sinks in. Synchronize your breathing with stomach movement. Relax. Turn to the left side. Keep your right palm on the ground. With the help of right palm, come to sitting position. Sit down. Come to sitting position. Sit down as comfortably as possible. Let us do pranayama. Bhastrika pranayama. Bhastrika. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Keep your spine straight, neck straight. Inhale, take your hand, both the hands above your head, palms outstretched. Exhale, bring the palms down, make a fist. Inhale, take your both the hands above your head, palms outstretched. Exhale, bring the hands down, make fist. Let us do few rounds of this. Inhale, exhale. 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 Continue. Stop. Sit silently. Close your eyes. Sit silently. Now we will do Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati. Make a fist. Keep your thumb inside. Close the four fingers. Keep one fist against each other. Keep the fist near your navel. Now Kapalabhati. Forceful exhalation. We will continuously exhale forcefully. Each exhalation, we will tuck our stomach inside, press in the diaphragm. Between two forceful exhalations, inhalation happens automatically. We do not inhale consciously. We are focusing on only exhalation. Inhalation happens automatically. I will do 5 rounds. You see, then you can do it. Close your, okay, you have to do it closed eyes, but now you can open eyes and see. I am keeping my hand on my stomach so that you will see the movement. Okay, let us start doing 30 rounds of Kapalabhati. Start. Stop. Sit silently. Close your eyes and sit silently. Okay, open your eyes. Now we will do Surya Chandra Anulom Vilom Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Keep your left palm on your left knee, index finger touching the thumb, palms facing upwards. Keep your right hand in Jinke Mudra, like deer position. With the thumb, you can close your middle and right nostril. With the two middle fingers, you can close your left nostril. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Exhale left nostril. While doing the pranayama, you can combine it with some mantra. So you can mentally chant Omkara. You can say Om, 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 like 4 times Oms while inhaling. We will do a simple pranayama. 1:1:1. 4 times Oms inhalation, 4 times Oms holding, and 4 times Om exhalation. Okay. Close your right nostril. Exhale left. Start with inhale left. Close your left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Inhale left nostril. Close the left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Inhale left nostril. Close the left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Release and relax. Now we will do Omkara Dhyana. Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb, palms facing upwards. Back straight, spine straight, neck straight, head straight. Don't be rigid, relaxedly sit. Close your eyes, relax. Let us chant Omkara few times. Chant Omkara with sacredness, respect and devotion, bhakti, devotion towards Parabrahma, Paramatma, Narayana, Supreme Being. Omkara sound starts from navel center and travels all the way to top of the head, Sahasrara. At the end of Omkara sound, there is a silence and peace. Enjoy the silence and peace after each Omkara. I will say inhale, then you inhale and we will chant Omkara together. Inhale. 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 Sit silently. Close your eyes and sit silently. Put Namaskara Mudra. Repeat after me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Yorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Put Namaskar Mudra. Repeat after me. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shivaswarupi. Shivoham. 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 Rub your palms, generate heat, make a cup shape, put it on your eyes, give warmth to the eyes with few blinks, open your eyes. Thank you. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Those who have any questions, they can stay back and ask me questions. Thank you very much. See
Thank
you
you,
tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.